welcome back to my channel. So today I recorded this very natural look. It took me about 10 to 12 minutes. This look is really fast when you're on the go, you're rushing to get to work in the morning, you're going to the store, you need some makeup on, you're hanging with friends and you don't want a lot of product on. This look will be perfect. So if you guys want to see how I got this natural look, please keep watching. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to prime my face and neck. For my face I'm using Jelly Pack, and for my neck I'm using Dr.Brandt Luminizer Primer. Next we're going to go into foundation. I'm going to be using the Too Faced Born This Way foundation. This is in the color Vanilla, and I'm just going to use a light amount since we're just doing, you know, a natural glam. Now I'm going to go in with my damp beauty blender and just blend everything out. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with a little bit of concealer. Even though it is a natural glam, I do have very dark under eye circles, and I just like to conceal them a little bit. Now that we've blended out the concealer, I'm just going to go in and set a little bit wherever I place the concealer right under my eye. That's the only place I'm going to set it. So I'm just going to go on and bronze my face just a little bit, just to add a little bit more color. And I'm going to be using the Naked Flushed palette. And this is what it looks like inside. So I'm not trying to go in and like contour my cheeks. I just want to, you know, brighten my face up a little bit more and just give it a little more color. So for blush, I'm just going to go into that same Naked Flush palette and use this little pinky color they have right here. And I'm just going to take a little bit, just like a little tap, and put in the apples of my cheeks just to give me more color. So next thing I'm going to do is add some highlight. I'm going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills times Amrezy highlighter. And this highlighter is literally to die for. Like, it's literally to die for. It is so beautiful. And with me, whether I'm wearing like natural makeup or I'm doing full glam, I will always wear highlighter. I have to wear highlighter. That's just me. And I did pick this one up. I actually ordered it online, and it is such a beautiful highlighter. Like, ugh. And the reason I like this highlighter because it's not like too glam. Like, it's very light. It'll still give you like that highlighted look, but it won't be like too over the top, because we're not trying to go over the top. We're just kind of keeping it like natural as possible. So with the same highlighter, I'm just going to go into the inner corners of my eyes. So the trick is when you put highlighter in the inner corners of your eyes, it actually makes you look more awake than you really are. And I'll just add like a tad bit. With the same highlighter, I'm going to go under my brow, just a tad bit, give it a little more definition. Perfect. What I'm going to do is go in with some mascara. I'm using the Iconoclast Mega Volume Mascara by Butter. And I just like to curl my lashes just because I don't want to put lashes on. This is a natural look. I just want to use my own lashes. So I first curl them and then I put the mascara on. So once I apply my mascara, I'm going to go in with my lips. So I'm just going to use the Buxom lip liner in the color Hush Hush. I used this one in my previous video. So I'm just going to outline a tad bit. And I'm just going to blend it in with my finger onto the lips. The reason why I drag the lip liner down to my lips is just because I don't want to have a whole lot of color on my lips. Just because my face is not full glam, it'll be weird if I have like full glam lips and my face is just like very natural. So I'm going to go into the I Love Saraii times Colourpop. I'm going to be going in with her ultra glossy lip from that packet. And this is in the color Atole. And I'm just going to place it on top of the color I have on my lips. So when it comes like down to summer, I love wearing gloss. I think gloss is like a very summery look. And just to finish off the look, we're just going to go in with some setting spray. This is the CoverFX Illuminating Spray, and we're just going to spray it all over the face. Okay guys, and that completes my video today. I really hope you guys liked this natural look. It took me about 10 to 12 minutes. This look is really simple when you're going to the store, you're going to the beach, you want to have some makeup on, you're grilling with your family. It's very lightweight and there's not a lot of product on your face. If you do like this video, please give me a thumbs up below and do not forget to subscribe. Also, I'm wearing my paparazzi necklace, and this link to buy this necklace will be in the description box below, as well with all the products I used today. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.